Hey cat lovers! Today we're diving into a crucial topic for our feline friends, the impact of loud noises on cats. You might think your kitty is unbothered by the world around them, but their sensitive ears pick up more than you realize. Let's start with some fascinating facts. Cats can hear sounds at higher frequencies than humans and even dogs. They can detect sounds as high as 64 kHz, while humans top out at about 20 kHz. This incredible hearing helps them hunt, but it also makes them vulnerable to loud noises. So what noises should we be worried about? Fireworks are a major culprit, especially around holidays. But everyday sounds can be problematic too. Think vacuum cleaners, blenders, loud music, or even shouting. Construction work, both inside and outside the home, can be particularly stressful for cats. How can you tell if your cat is bothered by noise? Look out for these signs. Hen cats feel threatened by loud noises. Their instinct is often to find a safe, quiet place. You might notice your cat suddenly disappearing under beds, into closets, or behind furniture. Some cats may even try to squeeze into small spaces they normally wouldn't, like boxes or laundry baskets. This behavior is their attempt to escape the perceived threat, indicate anxiety or fear. A puffed-up tail, often accompanied by arched back and raised fur, piloerection, is a sign that your cat feels threatened and is trying to appear larger to potential dangers. Some cats may overgroom, leading to bald patches or skin irritation. Others might scratch excessively at furniture or carpets. This is a self-soothing behavior, similar to how humans might bite their nails when nervous. Stress can significantly impact a cat's eating and elimination behaviors. Some cats may stop eating altogether, while others might overeat. You might also notice changes in litter box use. Eliminating outside the box, or having diarrhea. These changes can be signs of anxiety caused by loud noises. Some cats become defensive when stressed, leading to uncharacteristic aggression towards people or other pets. This might include hissing, swatting, or biting. Conversely, excessive meowing, yowling, or crying can also indicate distress. Some cats become more vocal when they're anxious or scared. It's important to note that these signs can also indicate other health issues, so if you notice persistent changes in your cat's behavior, it's always best to consult with a veterinarian. They can help determine if the changes are due to noise stress or if there might be an underlying medical condition. Remember, our cats rely on us to create a safe and comfortable environment. By being mindful of noise levels, we can help our feline friends live happier, healthier lives. If you're concerned about your cat's reaction to noise, don't hesitate to consult with your veterinarian. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.